Hey everyone, today I am going to explain to you how to use Linktree to sell products. So make sure to stick around till the very end to completely understand how you can capitalize on Linktree to promote or sell your products. First, from the Linktree homepage, simply click on the Sign Up Free button given in the top right corner. You can easily create an account by adding information like your email and Linktree username, or you can also sign up by using Google or Apple account. Once you have successfully signed up, you need to choose your Linktree username. After registering, you will be taken to this page where you need to choose a plan. Linktree offers 4 different plans: free, starter, pro, and premium. Each one has different prices and features, so choose the one that suits you to continue. Once you are in, click on the Add a New Link button given here. On Linktree, we have one base link and then branches to all other websites. So here, enter the URL of the website that you want to add as a base link. Once the link has been added, give it a title. You can name it Participate in a Giveaway as an example. Next, choose the option to display the video on your Linktree or link off on YouTube. Once done, click on the Add Link button. Your base link has been added, as you can see on the right side. You can now add more links to it. So enter another link that can be the link to an affiliate product. To get affiliate products, you can use websites like Impact, Amazon, or any other website. From the homepage of Impact, click on Create and Share link from your left, then select the product that you want to promote and then click on Link to copy. Now go back to Linktree and paste this link here. After that, give a title to this new link and continue. Once done, this new link will also be added right here. Next, you can change the appearance of this Linktree from here. Click on Appearance from your top left and choose whatever theme you like. Some of them are free while some are pro, so choose a theme according to your plan. You can even customize your theme by adding animation, images, and more, but it comes in the pro version. Just click on the appearance that you want to apply, and then it will be added. So by this process, you can add as many links as you want here. And here on your top left, this is the link to your Linktree landing page. Whenever a person clicks on this link, they will be taken to this page. And when they click on any of these buttons, they will be redirected to this video of your product. And that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.